Hello, hello, this is Kristoph sitting in his backyard wondering what to do next. Actually, I'm not wondering at all. I'm working on my fancy schmancy Atlatl. Show you in just a second, but I'm also looking at my garden. Now what I find interesting about how my garden's been growing this season, yes, is that I tilled it up. I planted a few things, but then a lot more things came up than I planted. And you know, I just let it go. I water it and I tend to it. I pull a certain amount of weeds when I have to. Mostly it's to feed the rabbit or the chickens, but here you go. So this patch of weeds is my garden. If you look right here, that right there, that's dill. And if you look down here, these are beans. If you look over here, those are chili peppers. And if you look even further, you'll see corn. And that right there, those little white plumes, those are carrots. And then all over the place, you're going to see onions. And then over here, you have potatoes. There's some garlic in there too. They're not doing so hot. Like way over there, see, those are beans too. And over here we have, this is what's called a sunchoke or a Jerusalem artichoke. Now I planted a bunch of them. I thought they were dead, then suddenly pop, there they are. Now over here in these tubs, these little planters, you have parsley and basil. No, wait a second. Parsley. That's basil, but that's something else. Moving on to this one. That's even more basil. And I got something growing in that other one there. And that is a it's purple, it's a gourd. What is that called? Grapefruit? That's not grapefruit. Whatever, it's a purple gourd and it's growing right there. Now I should have some gourds growing in this area, but they failed to come up. So what we have instead is a bunch of corn, a bunch of beans, a bunch of chili peppers, all kind of growing together with the dill and the carrots. Those little miniature sunflower looking things, I don't know what they are, but my rabbit likes them, my chickens like them, so I leave them alone. I just harvest them every so often to feed to my rabbit and my chickens. Now, what I've been working on is this. Now you can see where I flattened it out. I've rounded the head, put little finger grooves in it. I'm still working on it. It's still not done yet. But I just wanted to let you know that I am still working on it. And I did manage to sink a dart just a few minutes ago into the target. Run, run, run. There it is. Man, it's stuck deep too. It's kind of into the actual arrow target right over there. So it's working, and I'm still working. So yeah. All right, so there's an update for you. Say hi to Tinkerbell. Say hi, Tinkerbell. Tink. That's a good girl. That's a good girl, Tinkerbell. That's a good girl, Tinkerbell. All right, like, subscribe, share, the whole bit.